Hello guys, welcome to Easy with Abubakar. Our today's topic is little known tips to boost your laptop. So before I go forward, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. So the number one is you are working on something important when out of nowhere comes. When out of nowhere comes the low battery notification. You speed up and the screen goes black. You didn't finish and can only save the progress. Sounds like you could use some ways to make your laptop battery last longer. Play with power settings. Playing with power settings, this is likely what you will try first. So let us get the obvious out of the way. You can turn on the energy saver for Mac or power saver for Windows mode in your settings. It lets you choose when this display go off whenever you are inactive. The sooner it happens, the more battery you will save. Some people they used to keep this battery power turn off after some people they used to keep it never, which is not good. Some people's 5 hours, which is obviously not good. At least you can keep it like 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Then after then you can easily come to here display, and then you can keep your display night, which is you have to keep it in on. Always you have to keep it on. So this is the things that it can keep your battery stable. It can keep your battery in a good way. And then it lets you choose when the display will go off whenever you are inactive. The sooner it happens, the more battery you will save. So you have to keep it on, and then you have to keep the power and sleep 5 minutes. That's all. Or battery power saving going to sleep after 15 minutes. Some people they used to keep it never, which is not good. So you have to take note about this. Number 2, turn down the light. Your laptop screen, or rather it is backlight. This backlight, which is backlight is one of the hungriest energy eaters in the world system. Dim the screen brightness to win an extra 30 minutes of productivity in a day. So adjust it to the dimmest you can go without straining your eyes. Most of the backlight keyboards are in auto mode. If there is enough light, then they will not turn it on. So you have to turn on your backlight. For those people that their backlight keyboard are in auto mode, you can keep it. You can press the F5 and F6. Then some people they can come to here. You have to adjust it to the dimmest you can go without straining your eyes. So for me, if I keep it like this, I have to get more lights. So you have to keep it always the dimmest you can go without straining your eyes. So this is the best way, obviously. Number 3, change the background. Number 3, change the background. I know a beach picture as your wallpaper can warm up your heart on cold days. Obviously it can warm up your heart on cold days, but its vibrancy comes at a cost, as that cost is your battery. So like I said, I know a beach picture as your wallpaper can warm up your heart on cold days, but its vibrancy comes at a cost, as that cost is your battery. Opt for something darkened. It should even be a solid hollow screen or dark. For the same reason, get rid of the screensaver. Some people they used to keep this wallpaper, beach wallpaper, in their laptop wallpaper screen. So, but they didn't know that keeping this light wallpaper, like beach wallpaper, it is used to reduce some power from your battery. So normally you just have to keep the dark wallpaper. Keeping dark wallpaper used to minimize your power of your battery. So you have to always use like solid screen wallpaper or dark solid color screen, sorry, wallpaper or dark screen. So it's better to do that. And then number 4, turn off the computer before going to bed. Just slamming your laptop closed isn't enough. When you fully turn it off, it clears applications and any extra info is stored up throughout, so it walks up the next morning fresh and energized and ready for a new start. So people they used to keep their system sleep before when they are going to bed, and then this is more risk. It is risk, and you are going to destroy your laptop, not even your battery. But when you are in office doing something, some work, or class doing something, some work, so when you take a break, yeah, obviously you can keep your system, sleep. Obviously you can keep your system asleep. But when you are going to bed, when you are going to bed, you have to turn off the computer before you going to bed. And after waking up at morning, you can normally restart your system, because restarting system is very important. Then number 5, when it is too hot or too cold, your laptop can't work as efficiently, so it wastes energy. It does better in cooler air than the heat, as long as it is not freezing cold. As for the heat, your computer always needs access to fresh air through the vents. If you're holding it on your lap, walking in bed, you're blocking that cooling air. And don't leave it in the car on a hot day. Indirect sunlight in the room or near heaters. Some people they used to keep their laptop in their lap working in bed, and then you block the cooling air from that system, from that laptop. Some people they used to keep their system under the bed without cooling fan, so it's very risky. After the risk of your battery, it can affect your system also. So always I suggested you have to use a cooler fan. Using cooling fan in your system is very important. Obviously it's very important, seriously. So you have to use a cooling fan always, even not always, but you have to know that how you are going to work with your system. But keeping your system under the bed, seriously, it is not good, and it is not best way for you to keep your system healthy, obviously. So these are the 5 little things to boost your laptop. Try it out and you'll see the result. So this is the end of our video. If you find this video useful, please do share it to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn off the bell notifications. Make a good comment, give a good like. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.